Hi, today's recipe is a sweet preserve recipe made with Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is also known as Amla or Nellika, is a citrus fruit which is one of the miracle fruit found natively in parts of Asia. It has numerous effective natural remedies for curing many diseases. Please check my channel description box for an immune booster drink which is made with Indian gooseberry. And if you are unaware of this fruit, please Google it to know this incredible fruit and its interesting health benefits. So now let's see the recipe. First step is to steam the gooseberries. You can take idli steamer or any steamer at your home. Add enough water and let it come to boil. Gooseberries are washed and simply pat dried with a clean cloth. Place these gooseberries inside the steamer and steam it for 10 minutes. Gooseberries are steamed for 10 minutes. Now keep the steamer away from the heat. Next step is to make the jaggery syrup. Heat a saucepan to medium. Add jaggery and water and let it boil until jaggery melts. Strain this hot syrup into another cooking vessel to remove any dirt. Now, if you are sure that the jaggery you are using does not contain any dirt, you can very well avoid this step and continue cooking in the same pan in which the jaggery syrup is made. Next is to add the flavor. I have used cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. You can even use cumin seeds, peppercorns or any spice of your choice. Add the steamed gooseberries and gently mix so that each one is coated with the syrup, and then cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Have a gentle mix in between so that each one is coated and cooked evenly. Switch off the heat after 15 minutes. Let it become warm and then transfer to a glass container. Anyone wondering how gooseberries got these cuts without a knife? If you observe gooseberry, it has got naturally 6 vertical stripes. So when it gets cooked, like steaming, boiling or any form, these striped area gets opened up like wedges. And it is very useful for these kind of recipes to absorb the flavored syrup. Spread evenly and let it cool down for some time. Once it is completely cooled down, add 5 tablespoons of pure honey and combine everything together. Cover and leave it overnight as it is, or you can transfer directly to a storing jar. I have kept it in syrup overnight and then transferred everything the very next day to a clean, dry glass container. Always use a clean, dry spoon whenever you handle, else it may get spoiled easily. So each time you grab a gooseberry along with the syrup, make sure you use a well cleaned and dried spoon. To be frank, I started having the very next day, and if you have patience, wait for at least 3 days to get the divine taste of this preserve. It tastes like ayurvedic arishtam or ayurvedic tonic, or sometimes you may get the taste of pure gooseberry wine. Either way, it tastes divine and very good for your health. So have a gooseberry along with a tablespoon of syrup daily and enjoy.